Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google AdSense for affiliate content targeting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Google AdSense for affiliate content targeting, start by ensuring you have a Google account. Next, visit the Google AdSense website. Click on the Sign Up Now button. Fill in your website URL. Choose your account type based on your needs. Provide your email address for correspondence. Select and confirm your account preferences. Read and accept the AdSense terms and conditions. After submission, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your email. Once verified, access your AdSense dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Sites section. Add your website by clicking on the Add Site button. Google will review your site to ensure it meets their policies. Ensure your affiliate content aligns with AdSense guidelines. Create quality content that adds value to your audience. Ensure your site has a user-friendly interface. After approval, access the Ads section. Create ad units that suit your content layout. Customize the appearance and placement of ads. Generate the ad code provided by AdSense. Insert the ad code into your website's HTML. Monitor your site's performance through the AdSense dashboard. Make adjustments to ad placements as necessary. Stay informed about Google's policies on affiliate content. Regularly check your earnings and analytics. Continue to optimize your content for better engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.